In this video, we will go over mutual and not mutual exclusive. So mutually exclusive, events that cannot happen at the same time. You cannot identify as being both a boy and a girl. Another example, we have a bag of marbles. We have 5 marbles, red, blue, orange, pink, and white. Probability of either a red or a blue marble. The probability of just being a red marble is 1 out of 5, and the probability of being a blue marble is also 1 out of 5. So 1 out of 5 plus 1 out of 5 is equal to 2/5. So the formula for mutually exclusive for either or problems will be P parentheses A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. So probability of being a red marble plus probability of being a blue marble. Not mutually exclusive. A person plays soccer and football. A person could play both sports or just one sport. So in a survey asking students if they play soccer and or basketball, it found the probability that a student is selected at random will be as follows. Probability that the student plays either soccer or basketball is 80%. 45% play soccer, 15% play both soccer and basketball. For not mutually exclusive, the formula is this. Probability of A or B is equal to the probability of just A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Using this formula, let's solve this problem. Determine the probability that the student plays basketball. So probability of A or B is 80%. Because it says it right here. The student either plays soccer or basketball is 80%. So 0.8 is equal to 45% plays soccer, so 0.45. We don't know the probability that they play basketball, so we can say plus PB. And we know that the probability that they play both sports is 15%, so minus 0.15. So isolating PB, you would get 50%. And in the next slide, we will solve this visually. So we know that 15% plays both sports, because it says it here. 15% play both soccer and basketball. 45% play soccer. 45%. This 45% is also including people who also play basketball. So if I want to know just the percent that play exclusively soccer, I would say 45 minus 15 to get 30%. In this statement, we said probability that the student plays either soccer or basketball is 80%. This means that 20% does not play soccer or basketball. And here we said it was 50%. We solved that basketball was 50%. Now we can apply this into our Venn diagram. If we say 50 minus 15, we get 35% exclusively for basketball. And now we check, does everything add up to 100%? 30 plus 35 is 65. 65 plus 15 is 80. 80 plus 20 is 100%. And so we can conclude that the probability that the student play basketball is 50%. And this pretty much covers mutual and not mutual exclusive and Venn diagrams.